Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptiacademy.com to access free video course having video lectures, having practice questions with video solutions and past papers with video solutions. This is the 25th question of UKMT Senior Mathematical Challenge exam for year 2022. Question says a drinks carton is found by arranging four congruent triangles as shown. QP is equal to RS equal to 4 centimeter. So QP is 4, RS is 4. And PR equal to PS equal to QR equal to QS is 10 centimeter. So this is 10 here, this is 10 here, this is 10 here, and this is 10 here. Okay. Now what are the triangles here? There is one triangle. There are formed by four congruent triangles. Triangle QPS, then triangle QRP, then triangle PRS, QPS, arranging four congruent triangles, Q and QPR, and triangle QRP I have written. So QPS, QRP, PRS, and PRQ. PRQ is done. So SRQ, yeah, on the other side. Triangle SQR. SRQ will be on the other side. So this is like you have a pyramid structure. What is the area in a pyramid? Volume in the pyramid? We have to find the volume. 1 by 3 into area of base into height. So that will be here 1 by 3. Base is QSP, let us assume. So into area of triangle QSP times height H. Let height be H. So H has to be dropped from R on QSP. So here this is H. So now what I've done is I've enlarged the figure here. From R you drop this height H. This is H. So area of triangle QPS into height H will give me into 1 by 3 of that will give me the volume of this figure. So now what I'm going to do is I will find first the area of this triangle QPS. So let the triangle be like this. This is QPS. Here in QPS, this QS is 10, PS is 10, QP is 4. Also RS is 4. All other sides are 10. Okay. So here in QPS, two sides are 10, one side is 4. So two sides are 10, one side is 4. So if I drop a perpendicular, this is an isosceles triangle, it will be 2 and 2 here. Okay. Let this be MN. Let this be M here. So MS will be how much? Square root of 100 minus 4. That is square root of 96. Okay. That is 16 into 6. Which is 4 root 6. Okay, this is 4 root 6 ms. This is 4 root 6. So area of triangle QPS will be half into base here is QP, which is 4, into height is ms, which is 4 root 6. This is 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 root 6 is the area of this triangle. So here I know area of this triangle is 1 by 3 into 8 root 6. Now I need to find the height H. What I'm going to do is, so here this was the midpoint M. Okay, here it was the midpoint M. I will drop a perpendicular on the triangle MSR. So I have this triangle. This is MS and R. RS is 4 and this is M here, this is M. So RS is 4. This triangle, this side and this side are actually the same in length. They are same in length. I know MS is 4 root 6. Already know MS is 4 root 6. So here it is 4 root 6. So this also is 4 root 6. So now this triangle has become somewhat like this. This is 4 root 6. This is 4 root 6. And this is 4 here. Okay. Now, and here this is M. M, S and R. Now if I drop a perpendicular here, MN. So in MRS, I'm dropping a perpendicular MN. What is the length of this perpendicular here? This is 2, because this is 4, it will divide it into 2 and 2, because this is an isosceles triangle, 4 root 6 and 4 root 6. So MN will be under root of 4 root 6. 4 root 6 is 96, square of that. 96 minus 4, 92, square root 92, which is 4 into 23, that is 2 root 23. This is 2 root 23. 4 into 23 is 92. So MN is 4 root 23. So what is area of this triangle MR and S? Okay, area of this triangle will be half into base is 4 into height is 2 root 23. 2 root 23. That is same as area if I do base as MS. Base as MS. Then the height will be this H from R to S. That is half into base MS. MS I know is 4 root 6. 4 root 6 into height H. So from here I can get the value of H. This 4 goes away. So H is 2 root 23 by root 6. So H is 2 root 23 by root 6. Okay, so what I did was I found the area of triangle MRS in two ways. One is this way where I dropped the perpendicular MN and I found the area half into 4 into 2 root 23. The other way is if I take MS as the base and then height H from R on MS. Okay, that will be half into base is MS into height H. So from here I get H is equal to 2 root 23 by root 6. So this will become H is 2 root 23 by root 6. 2 root 23 by root 6. This root 6 goes away. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 root 23. So area volume which we have to find comes out to be 16 root 23 divided by 3. That is answer option A. And that is the right answer. So this was quite a challenging question. You need to understand the 3D figure completely and then you can only come up with the answer. Alright.